So today I'm flying back to the Netherlands and I just want to see what is the takeaway, the main energy, the main takeaway from my time here in South Africa. The Nine of Pentacles, one of my favorite cards in the deck. And what I love about this card is the card of independence, the card of the that you've got enough money to look after yourself, the wealthy. And it is just a card of being in your truth and knowing who you are, being authentically you. And I feel that this is just once again highlighted that the time I spent here in South Africa was really amazing, but that I can be authentically myself, look after myself, be independent. And also I had a lovely holiday because it is really nice when I can spend a little bit of money, do the nice things, and still know that I'm going to be okay and yeah, to splurge on myself a little bit. So I feel this is a really nice summary of my time here in South Africa. I absolutely loved all the good food. I loved seeing my family, but now it is time to go back home and start working again next week.